Okay, this is day 29. Um, okay, this is. Oh, I'll show you how day 28 went when I get to the 5 minute time frame because I cut the video before the full outcome of the trade that I took on Friday. So I'll just update you. I said I'm going to update you today on day 29 on how day 28 went. So yeah, let me just tell you today's setup. Okay, so opening price was here. No, around here. I was actually targeting these high, like this opening week gap today, and yeah, so I'm at my 4 hour lows and this 4 hour high right here, and then I also marked okay this was just the weekly opening gap, not week, yeah, the week opening gap. Then on the 1 hour time frame, I marked this, or I marked this high, this 1 hour high right here. Okay, after making this 1 hour high, I marked this one too, and then I marked this 5 daily gap right here, this one. Okay, cool. And then I also marked the daily equilibrium. Okay, and then here on the 5 minute time frame, oh, let me show you Friday's trade on how it went. Right now, like I'm still in a trade. Can you see like price actually moved this high and then it came back and then it's been chopping. But then I'm sure by 12, yeah, it's either gonna choose a direction whether it wants to go higher or lower. But then yeah. Yo, okay. Let me show you Friday's trade on how it went. This is the trade right here. Can't really remember well, but then I think I cut the video while price was still running around somewhere here. And I just cut the video because I just couldn't wait till price hit TP or stop loss because I knew it was gonna take forever. So yeah, this was Friday's trade. If you did watch that video of day 28, you saw that the first trade it took me out and then I re-entered here. So yeah, let me go back to now. This was the S&P 500, and then today I took a trade on Nasdaq, and it's chopping. It's choppy actually, not chopping. It's choppy. It's not really moving any direction. It's just consolidating. So as you can see here on the 5 minute time frame, um, what I said is I was actually targeting. I wanted to target these weekly opening gap, this weekly opening gap, and immediately price opened here on the New York Stock Exchange open. Price went higher, breaking structure, and it just went straight up there immediately. So I was like, I feel like I'm not gonna get any trade. Even now, like me taking this trade, it's kind of risky. I don't wanna lie because price might want to continue to the downside. Okay, I'll tell you why I'm saying it might want to continue to the downside. But then for now, let me just explain how I took the trade. Okay, cool. Broke shorter to the upside, leaving an order block and a breakup block. And then it started moving higher, leaving fair value gaps. So now, as it keeps on moving higher, leaving fair value gaps, as you can see with this blue candle, it entered this fair value gap, respected the fair value gap, and then I jumped onto the 1 minute time frame. It respected the fair value gap on the 5 minute time frame with at 9:55. So it respected right here. So me from here, just waiting for a break of structure on here on the 1 minute time frame, break of structure or inverse fair value gap. So this was my high. This candle, this strong movement to the upside, broke this high. Then I just put my stops right below these lows. Right below these lows, which is right here. Then I entered from there targeting a 1:2. Price actually moved in my favor. Price moved in my favor and yeah, came back to my entry. Then it just kept on playing here at my entry. So Yeah, man, I don't know actually which direction it's gonna take from here because I've got a strong feeling. Like at the beginning of the session, I was pretty sure, like I was sure that price is gonna come back into this weekly opening gap. So yeah, so another reason why I feel like it might start dropping, but then this this 4 hour candle needs to close within this premium area first before it starts dropping. If it decides to drop, this candle needs to close within this zone wherever it is, like where it is right now. Not sure if you're gonna see clearly, but then this block, you see this block here, that's my equilibrium. So this movement to the downside on the 4 hour time frame. If price really wants to go lower, price had to go back within the premium area before going even lower. So now price is within the premium area, and this candlestick, this 4 hour candlestick, is gonna close within an hour and 22 minutes. So if it does close within this zone, it might, like the following candle might start going lower to the downside. But then again, when I look at this, because like on the daily time frame, we actually bullish, we're going higher. When I look at this 4 hour candles, I feel like price wanted to come back and fill this fair value gap because as you can see right here, it just came in, then respected and go and went higher. But then here it came within this fair value gap, respected it. Let me just show you. You see how it respected this fair value gap. It closed within it. Then again, it went out and then closed within the fair value gap again. So yeah, on this one, today I only took one trade and with as minimal capital as possible. Like I only risked so little money today. So because like I'm not 100% confident about this trade today. So yeah, that's 29, and this is the 19th of May 2025. Yeah. I'll see. But then, like most of the time, whenever I stop the video, like price starts moving. So, oh, it is moving to my TP. Oh wow. Because like usually while I'm recording or like when I start recording, it's because I can see that price is not really moving. It's just consolidating, just moving up and down. But then now, oh, seems like it wants to come to my TP. I don't know. But then I'm just gonna stop the video right here, and then I'll just update you tomorrow whether it came to my TP or it came to my stop loss. But then I don't move my stop loss to break even. No, I don't. So I'll just leave it to do its thing because I didn't risk a lot of money today. So even if it takes me out, still fine. That's my rule. Never move stops to break even. So yeah, I'll just see whether it takes me out or gives me profits. Yeah, that's it for day 29. And I'll update you about the trade tomorrow on the next video on day 30.